In the heart of our diverse journeys, we gathered here, fueled by dreams as vast as the sky. Through laughter and learning, we have grown. Each moment a stepping stone towards our brightest tomorrow.
In Spring Rhapsody, we discovered the power of unity, the joy of knowledge, and the beauty of shared experiences. As we stand on the edge of new beginnings, let's carry with us pride of our achievements, the bonds we have built, the dream we have dared to chase. In this journey, we have not just learned but flourished, becoming architects of our own destinies. This is our legacy, our triumph, our Spring Rhapsody 2024.